Hey, a very good morning to you guys. And yes, this is, as you've read it in the description, this is my journey from Goa to Bombay. Now I'm going there for a week, so I'm going to be there for a week. Yes, there are a few things I need to get sorted out, before I go there. We need to do a COVID test, and that's exactly what I'm come for, just to be on a safer side, because I don't want that hassle on the airport when I reach. So I'm here at the COVID center right now to do the COVID test and to make sure everything goes fine with me during my flight to Mumbai. So you need a COVID test when you're going from Goa to Mumbai, but when you're coming back from Mumbai to Goa, you don't really need a COVID test. That's surprising, actually. Lion Sumas. That was bad. Huh? So we have finished actually the COVID test, and now I'm back, going back home. So it will come updated on my mobile. So lucky, it is a little difficult this time. It was a little intense, but I've completed the COVID test now. So it's hopefully it should come positive, negative. Sorry, it should come negative, and I'll be happy to actually enjoy my journey in Mumbai. You see the smile on my face is only because I'm going to Mumbai to see my family, to see my friends. The three important special people that I'm going to meet and I'm dying to see is Harley, Thor, my sister and Devil. So yes, you can see a little packing that I'm doing right here. So my suitcase was almost packed, but there was a few sweets that I had to put, my shoes right here. So yes, I have a flight at 7:20, so I need to be at the airport at around 5 o'clock. I've done my pre-COVID test and everything, so it makes life much more easier when you're traveling with the new norms and stuff in place. I only have my fingers crossed. Basically, the only reason is I hope Mumbai does not go into a lockdown and I'm stuck in Mumbai, because I need to be back to work in Goa. As most of you know, now I'm based in Goa and I'm working in Goa now. So that's the reason there are a lot of vlogs that I'm actually not putting up. I don't have time because I'm running up a business in Goa. So till then, stay tuned, enjoy the small little packing that I'm going to do and this journey with me from Goa to Mumbai. Cheers. So it was 72 hours that I done my COVID test, and yes, the results were finally here. I was negative and I was a free bird to go into Mumbai. Well, I had the receipt as well, which you need handy at the airport. So it's actually time to leave the house. My bags are packed, so you can see the bag is right here. And yes, Arvind is here as well to drop me to the airport. It's a little cloudy, but we're going to make it to the airport definitely without any rains and showers. So see you at the airport soon. Damn, it started drizzling now. Hopefully we should not get the rains. You can see a few drizzles here and there. But the climate looks very nice. It's actually sunny and cloudy both. So we are expected to reach the airport without some rains, hopefully. We almost reached Bambolim Cross. This is basically the cross. A few years back, I was very sick in GMC hospital that just passed by. I was given by the doctors only 4 hours to live, wherein my mom had to be flown from Bombay to Goa. And this is a cross where my auntie, my sister had promised that once I become alright, they will actually come and put a small little prayer or put a small little offering. So every time I pass this cross, I make sure that, you know, this was a cross that because of which I lived, you know, that day till today. Those 4 hours multiplied to how many hours till today from that very day. So here I am actually come to actually visit the cross again. This is the new Zuari Bridge construction that is on the right side that you can see. If you're traveling by a taxi, please leave early because there's a lot of traffic on the way. So it's time to say goodbye to Arvind. He's actually come all the way from Mapsa with me, and we have actually reached the airport very safely. Arvind, thank you so much till we meet again. Okay, within another 1 week I'll be back in Goa.
Okay,
Ciao.
Thank you so much, sir.
The bag is gone. I've got my boarding pass as well. He's been kind enough to actually go ahead and change my middle seat to a window seat. So basically that is how the process has been so far. I have not had any issues. It's been fine and nice. Just a small little tip from my side is do all your web check-in and all the formalities before you come to the airport, because it's much more easier in case you are delayed as well, or while traveling to the airport. You have your web check-in, you have your boarding pass and everything, which is now compulsory due to these COVID norms. So please have that ready and everything will be simple for you. So I finally made it to the airport. Yes, I left early. The only reason I left early because due to the COVID norms and stuff, I was not sure if, you know, what would be, how long it's going to take for the security check for all that to happen. So I was here on time, and I'm very happy because now it's much more relaxed. You don't have that tension, you know, that you're late and you have to roll. There was a lot of crowd. Lucky that I also came on the bike, so that was much more easier for me. Because the cars have a lot of traffic because of the Zuari Bridge. You might have seen the construction. That's the reason there's a lot of traffic. But otherwise, everything is beautifully set for me at the moment. I'm just waiting for my gate and the flight to come, and that's when I will board the flight. I've got my kits wear, it's the AirAsia kit. It has a face shield and the mask, so this is what they have given. This is just before boarding. So this is how it is now. This is with the face mask and the shield that they have given. So they give it to all the passengers for free of course. Of course, it's included in the ticket fare, but this is how I look right now.
boarding pass is here. Thank you. Thank you. Simon, मेरे को इसका final बता के जाना.
Finished all formalities, walking towards the flight at the moment. What's my seat number 9?
यदि आप बुखार, खांसी और सांस की तकलीफ के झेलना पड़ गई, आपका सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद।
विमान में ईंधन और खुशी बांधने के लिए इस मेटल टेप को बाकी में डालें और पट्टी खींचकर इसे कस लीजिए। पेटी की ये बत्ती जल जाएगी और ये पट्टी ध्यान
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Bombay Airport. For safety, please remain seated and use mobile phone is not permitted. Please take care while opening the overhead compartment. For flying with Air Asia and have a good night. Thank you.
I want to basically hop on to rickshaw right now and go and see my two little lovebirds at home. Can't wait for the rickshaw. Even if the rickshaw could fly, I would actually want that to happen and want to see Ali and Thor soon. So I've reached to a shop near my house. I'm actually buying Thor and Ali some ice cream because they do not know I've come from Goa. So let's see their reaction with this small little treat that I want to give them. So I'm climbing my steps. They still don't know that I've come. They might hear my keys and all. So let's see if Thor actually recognizes.
Hi, how you doing? Hi, how you doing? Okay, go fast inside. Hi. Oh my God, this fella has become like a sheep. Hi, Tony. Oh my Tony, oh my God, he's down. Hi. Go fast. Go fast. Oh my God, Ali jump in. Ali jump in. Yeah. Take.
Now I have to give. I waited till you come. I have to give.
Hi.
Medicine.
Come. Hi. Hi, Anna, come here. See, Anna. This naughty boy. This naughty boy. Why you got so much fur? Oh my God. Where are they? You want ice cream? What did you do? Hey, doctor, what do you do, Budush? We need Mama. Mama, give me Mama. Hala, come here. My baby. He's my Dracula baby. He's my Dracula baby. Dracula. I'm Dracula baby. Dracula baby. You easy, Mama. Put it down. Come here. Wow. What's up? You need to come. You're not giving food now?
No, half an hour after now. Half an hour before.
He's waiting for his mum. He's waiting for his mum now. No? Mama is giving him mama. And the Hana girl is sitting there. Where's Muffin? Where's Tolly? My chutu baby. Yes, we have finally made it home. You can see Thor is a little shy. But yes, he is there. And he's a naughty little boy. Well, this is Mumbaikar boy saying thank you so much, guys. I've reached home finally. Yes, the house is also new because they've got it painted and stuff. This was my journey from Goa to Mumbai. This is something special for me because I'm come for a occasion actually, but it was nice meeting Hali and Thor as well. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Bye bye.